Hello guys, I'm Sonia Sharma and here I am again with a video on how to make reading a habit that can stay with you forever and so that you can progress and grow in your life. So the first one is starting small. As we all know that starting is very difficult for all of us, whether we want to start exercising or reading as a habit. It is very difficult for even us to start as we delay it to tomorrow, Monday or someday. And therefore, by starting small, I mean reading only 5 to 10 minutes a day or 2 pages a day consistently so that you can build consistency and make a reading a part of your being, your identity. So the next point is making it part of your routine. That is including it in your current routine itself. That is reading while after brushing your teeth, or reading while commuting when you are traveling here or there, or reading while you are drinking your tea or coffee, whatever you like. So the next point is reducing the friction. Friction can be reduced by keeping the book on pillow or desk or whatever where you study so that you can easily access the book and start reading it. Second, using audiobooks or ebooks on your phone so that you can use the phone as well as for reading. Third is reading only books that you enjoy reading. Because forcefully आप कुछ भी चीज़ read नहीं कर सकते and you cannot make it a habit. So to make it a habit, you need to enjoy reading, the process of reading itself. So the next point is set clear goals. Instead of saying that I want to read more and more, you can set clear goals like reading 10 pages a day or reading 5 to 10 minutes before bed. These are clear goals that help you build consistency and stay on track. Next is tracking your progress. You can track your progress by maintaining a checklist, having a habit tracking app on your phone, maintaining a calendar so that you can know how much you have done your days, how many days you have done the reading, and it brings you a lot of motivation to continue it further. Next is use your scrolling time. We all scroll a lot nowadays. The best thing you can do is to be more productive. It's like let's say you have 30 minutes of this scrolling. So in that 10 minutes you can read and 20 minutes you can scroll or do whatever you do on your phone. Next is be okay with imperfections. We all will miss reading on some of the days. We all will skip it on some days, no matter how hard we try. So the best thing is you need to under. So the thing is you need to never miss it twice in a row. Even I miss it on a lot of days, and I regret it later.